What if I told you the secret to wealth and success was hidden in plain sight, scribbled centuries ago by a man with a funny hat and a pen dipped in cosmic ink? Yep, Nostradamus, the OG fortune teller, may have cracked the code to your December jackpot. 6 numbers, 1 day, your chance to turn just scraping by into living your best life. Curious? Let's dive in. The mystery of Nostradamus. Who was Nostradamus? And why should we care? Picture 16th century France. Nostradamus, a man with a beard so wise looking it practically whispered secrets of the cosmos, sat hunched over ancient scrolls, predicting events from world wars to the rise of TikTok dances. But what many don't know is this: Nostradamus was a numbers guy. Hidden in his cryptic quatrains are 6 hot numbers, believed to bring wealth and success when aligned with cosmic forces. Fast forward to December 14th, 2024. The stars align, the universe holds its breath, and these 6 numbers are your golden ticket. But before you tattoo them on your arm, let's break this down. The 6 hot numbers revealed. Why 6, you ask? Because it's the perfect balance. Like 6 slices of pizza for one person, don't judge. It's practical, lucky, and downright magical. Here they are, in all their glory. 1. Number 7, the overachiever. Think lucky 7. It's been wooing gamblers and dreamers for centuries. 2. Number 14. It's December 14, so duh. Double the 7s, double the luck. 3. Number 21. Blackjack vibes. This number screams, I play to win. 4. Number 33. A master number in numerology, whispering secrets of abundance and creativity. 5. Number 44. The power player. It's practical yet ambitious. Your CFO in number form. 6. Number 8. The infinity symbol turned upright. Endless wealth and prosperity vibes. Nostradamus meets 2024. What makes these numbers the ones for December 14th, 2024? Astrology, baby. The planetary alignments are like the universe sliding into your DMs saying, this is your moment. Jupiter, planet of expansion, is throwing a cosmic party with Venus, queen of wealth. Mars is bringing motivation, so you'll actually follow through on those big plans. How to use these numbers? Let's be real. Numbers alone won't get you a yacht, but when paired with action, they're like a cheat code for the game of life. Here's how to harness their energy. 1. Lottery fun. Yes, play the numbers in the lottery. But remember, the goal is fun, not desperation. Think of it as a cosmic tip jar. 2. Financial goals. Align your savings, investments, or business milestones with these numbers. Example, save $7,000 for your emergency fund. Invest $8,000 in your dream project. 3. Vision board. Add these numbers to your vision board. Decorate with glitter. Manifest like a pro. 4. Daily reminders. Set these numbers as your phone password or write them on sticky notes around the house. The more you see them, the more they integrate into your subconscious. There are some real-life stories here. Let's lighten the mood with some heartwarming tales. 1. Emily's lucky break. Emily, a barista from Kansas, played these numbers in her local lottery. No, she didn't win the jackpot, but she did score $1,444, enough to launch her small jewelry business. Today, she's designing custom pieces for celebrities. 2. Carlos' job offer. Carlos, stuck in a dead-end job, set his alarm for 7:33 every morning. Within weeks, he landed his dream job, offered on December 14th, no less. Coincidence? He doesn't think so. Life's stressful, bills pile up, and dreams feel far away. But laughing at the absurdity of a 16th century mystic predicting your wealth journey, that's the magic. Humor keeps you light, and lightness attracts abundance. Emotional connection. Here's where we get real. The idea of luck isn't just about numbers. It's about hope. Nostradamus' predictions remind us to dream big, to believe the universe isn't out to get us but to guide us. Practical tips for December 14th. Morning ritual. Write down your goals using the 6 numbers. Meditate for 8 minutes. Evening plan. Light a green candle. Reflect on how far you've come and how much farther you can go. Is this real? Skeptics ask, eyebrows raised. Well, maybe not in the scientific sense. But do you really want to risk ignoring Nostradamus? Plus, believing in something, anything, can spark action, and action is what changes lives. December 14th, 2024 isn't just another date. It's a chance to tap into something bigger than ourselves, be it the wisdom of Nostradamus, the magic of numbers, or our own unstoppable potential. So, will you embrace the mystery? Will you dare to dream, laugh, and take a leap of faith? Remember, the future belongs to those who believe, and maybe to those who trust a guy with a beard and a knack for predictions.